Well, hello and welcome back to Indulge Auto. I am Prabjot Kaur and I am at this beautiful launch of the all-new Maruti Suzuki Victoris. So let's start with the front look of this car. When you see these LED DRLs over here, which looks quite sleek yet very nice and interesting. And over here you get the fog lamps and air vents. So let's get to the side and show you the side profile of the Victoris. So when you'll come to the side profile, you'll be welcomed with the beautiful 17-inch dual tone alloy wheels, which looks quite good. And here's a customizable thing that you're going to see, which gives a nice good feeling to the side. And the best part is how long this car is. It gives a very aerodynamic kind of feel, and it's very sleek, and the whole chrome work that you see in the detailing is very nicely put in this car. You get 360-degree cameras over here, and here it is there. You get the dual tone finish over here, which looks quite sleek and quite young as well. So just look at the beautiful back of the Victoris. Well, you see the running tail lamps over here, which looks quite futuristic and very minimalistic design over here. There are badging of smart hybrid and all grip. And the thing is, well, you get a dedicated button to open your boot, and also you got a motion sensor that you can do and open the tail, and that's how it works. And there you are welcomed with a large boot space over here, where to tuck in your luggage whenever you're going, and for short trips or anything like that. That's the whole exterior of this car. Now let's get inside and show you how beautiful it looks from the inside. So now you can see the beautiful interior of this car. It is coming in dual tone finish. You've got some situation happening over here, which looks quite good and futuristic. Well, also if you look at this space, it is all buttons. You've got the middle console over here, has all the modes to drive in, snow, sport, and there are more other. Well, you get ventilated seats over here and a large instrument cluster to show all the kind of information that the driver is needed while he or she's driving. And sitting feel comfortable. You get a very comfortable seating at the back, and while you get a nice sunroof over here to give you that airy kind of spacious feeling, and it looks very spacious and comfortable. So this was my first look review of the Maruti Suzuki Victoris. What are your opinions on it? Let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, why don't you do one thing? Just subscribe and follow all our social media handles, and we'll see you in the next reel coming up. So till then, stay safe and be happy. Bye-bye.